Want to increase the RAM or SSD of your new or old ASUS laptop? Well, it's easier than you think. Here's how you can upgrade your RAM or storage or both in just a few minutes. We will be using the Jogeek by ASUS RAM and SSD sticks for this video, which are optimized for ASUS's large lineup of notebook and gaming laptops. Before you get started, you will need a laptop opening toolkit and a clean and dry surface to place your laptop on, which will not scratch it. If unsure, you can always place your laptop on a microfiber cloth instead. Let's start with regular laptops like the VivoBook and ZenBook series. Begin by shutting down the laptop and turning it upside down. You can now begin opening each of the screws. Remember to keep them aside in order so you don't mismatch the screws when you're done. When all the screws are out, carefully use a prying tool to separate the laptop's base from the rest of the body. You can now keep the base aside. Find the empty RAM slot and insert the new RAM stick like this. You can now put the base back, snap all the corners into place and proceed to put all the screws back inside. You can now power on your laptop and the extra RAM that you just installed should be visible right away in your task manager. For ROG and ASUS tough gaming laptops, you can usually add more RAM as well as more SSD storage. Here's how to do that. Begin by shutting down the laptop and turning it upside down. You can now use a toolkit to open the laptop like we did previously in this video. However, if you have a newer Strix or Strix Scar series device, you can open this latch directly to quickly access the internals of the laptop. To add more RAM, find the empty RAM slot and insert the new RAM stick like this. To add more storage, find the empty SSD slot and either remove the screw or turn the Q latch depending on which model you have. Insert the SSD at a 45-degree angle like this and put the screw back on or turn the Q latch again to lock the SSD in place. You can now put the laptop together and power it on. While the extra RAM should kick into action right away, you may have to format and create a partition on the new SSD that you just added. A link in the description should help you with doing that. Congratulations! You just added more RAM, more SSD, or maybe both to your ASUS laptop. Stay tuned to the channel for more helpful videos just like this, and we'll see you in the next one.